I then proceed with the mouth line, which is found about 1/3 the way down from the base of the nose to the base of the chin. Remember these proportions. They are the norm, and usually anything that deviates from those create pretty unique looking characters. I then like to establish the indent of the brow and nose and proceed with the profile of the nasal cavity and mouth. Note that as I sketch in the back of the eye socket, the line it creates flows nicely in an S-curve fashion into the mandible as shown here. This is a flow you don't want to miss. Also note the S-curve underneath the zygomatic arch found here, which is nicely contrasted by a straighter shape above. From the profile of the zygomatic bone, you can easily see that the front plane closest to the nose definitely recedes back towards the jaw. This is also very helpful to know when drawing a face with flesh and skin on it to understand the planes. I'm going to speed up the drawing again as I wrap up the drawing and add the naming and color coding. It is very helpful to reduce the skull into a smaller